There is a very serious condition, more serious than what you're talking about. You're saying that people are insulting Allah and we have to become soldiers of Allah. But how will that change people's opinion? It will just make people think that followers of Allah are violent. What is more important is to understand that a large majority of people in the today's age are becoming atheists. They think that belief in God or belief in Allah or any kind of higher power is a myth. They say that there is no scientific argument, there is no scientific logic for belief in God, in a higher being, in a higher entity. So our task is to actually provide arguments to people, an explanation to people on why God actually exists. If we are able to convince them of God's existence, and if we are able to provide sound, scientific, intellectual arguments in favor of God's existence, then they will realize that yes, the belief that God exists is not just a myth. It has some reality, it has some weight to it. And most importantly, we should also know that people in today's age are going through a spiritual turmoil. There's a lot of spiritual distress. People feel meaningless, find no meaning in life. They feel that their life is just dark and depressing. So one of the most important tasks of believers is not to become soldiers. Believers have to actually go out with the message of God to people. This message is a message which gives tranquility to the soul, because the Quran itself says that in the remembrance of God, hearts will find comfort. So you have to deliver this message of comfort to people who are in distress and in a state of non-peace today. This is what will make you a soldier of Allah. Not fighting for Allah, not standing up in arms for Allah will make you a soldier. Rather, that will make you only tarnish the image of the religion of Allah. People will think that the religion of Allah teaches barbarism and violence in this 21st century. So if you want to do anything of benefit, actually take this message of peace and compassion to people. This is what is most needed today.